Let's talk about fossils. Here are examples of fossils. Like this is in a rock, this is another fossil, this is another fossil. The others here, I'm not sure if we consider them fossils. Remember one thing when you think of fossils. In almost all religions, we speak of how we start from dust. We have started from dust and will end up as dust. So in other words, after we die, for most of us, after a few years, all what's going to be left of us is going to be dust. Now, under special conditions, we can have more left of us. Examples, the mummies under the pyramids. There is more than dust left of those bodies. Here are other examples. Like a few years back, that's when some of the ice melted in the Alps in northern Italy. They found this 5,000-year corpse. After some work, they think that's the look of the person of this corpse. 5,000 years ago, but it has special condition that allowed it to be preserved. More recently, in Pompeii, again in Italy, Pompeii was destroyed when a volcano erupted and essentially covered the whole city with lava and dust. In this case, there is a master and a slave. They were found just recently like this. They were preserved. They had the right conditions to be preserved. So in both of these cases, the right conditions allowed them to be preserved. The same thing for fossils. They are preserved only under special conditions. For that reason, the fossil record that we have on Earth is incomplete, as most organisms that have ever existed on Earth didn't leave any trace. They didn't leave fossils, or if they left some fossils, we didn't happen to find them yet. But in any case, most organisms are going to decay and disappear without resulting in fossils. So we find fossils in rocks quite often, but not all types of rocks. Think of metamorphic rock. You need pressure and heat. Pressure and heat, that's not special conditions to preserve a fossil that will destroy it. Same thing for igneous rock. Melting and cooling. Melting something, that's going to destroy the fossil. So only sedimentary rocks preserve fossils. We are going to find them only in sedimentary rocks.